Welcome Mustang families to Open House, May 9th from 5:30 to 7. We're super excited to have you tour the campus. Upon your arrival, please make sure you get a Mustang passport. You're going to visit our various locations throughout the campus and make sure you get a stamp from a staff member. You'll come back and turn this in to room 22, and there'll be prizes tonight. We have giveaways for skate night. We also have Leatherbees, family 4-pack to the school play, as well as some other fun stuff. So hopefully you'll be able to visit all of the places and you'll get a chance to win some prizes. Also tonight, there'll be a food truck, so make sure you come hungry. We'll see you around.
Hi, I'm Mr. Van. I am the School Community Intervention Specialist, and this is our Resource Center.
Hello, I am Ms. Liz. I am the School Community Intervention Assistant here at Will Rogers, along with Mr. Van. Like we said, this is our Resource Center. In here, we offer a lot of programs, resources for our students and our families. This is just a place where you guys can come if you guys need extra support during the day. Families, you guys are always more than welcome to come in, talk with us, anything going on, any help that you might need. We have a lot of stuff for the students, books that you guys can use, games. We also have fidget toys for our students that have anxiety, journals and coloring books for our artistic students. So anything that you guys might need, come by and then we'll figure it out how to help you. We are here as a resource for you.